Specialty coffee refers to high-quality coffee that is produced with a focus on the unique characteristics of the coffee beans and the care taken throughout the entire production process. This term encompasses various aspects, including the quality of the coffee beans, their origin, cultivation, processing, roasting, and brewing. Key features of specialty coffee include quality. Specialty coffee beans are carefully grown, harvested, and processed to maintain their distinct flavors and characteristics. They often score higher on the Specialty Coffee Association's SCA coffee grading scale, which assesses attributes such as flavor, aroma, acidity, body, and balance. Origin. Specialty coffee often comes from specific regions, countries, or even individual farms known for producing exceptional beans. Coffee beans grown in certain microclimates and altitudes can develop unique flavors and profiles. Processing. Special care is taken during the processing of specialty coffee beans to ensure that only the best beans are selected and that they are properly dried and prepared for roasting. Different processing methods can impact the flavor and aroma of the final coffee. Roasting is an art in itself. Specialty coffee roasters pay close attention to the roasting process, aiming to bring out the best flavors while avoiding over-roasting or under-roasting that could diminish the bean's potential. Brewing. The preparation of specialty coffee involves precise brewing techniques. Baristas and coffee enthusiasts use methods like pour-over, French press, espresso, and more to highlight the unique characteristics of the beans. Tasting notes. Specialty coffee often comes with detailed tasting notes that describe its flavor profile. These notes might include descriptors like fruity, floral, chocolatey, nutty, and more, helping consumers understand the coffee's nuances. Direct trade and sustainability. Specialty coffee often promotes ethical and sustainable practices, such as direct trade relationships with coffee producers, fair wages, and environmentally friendly farming methods. Small batch production. Specialty coffee is frequently produced in smaller quantities compared to mass-market coffee. This allows for more attention to detail in every step of the process.